Hi friends, this video journal is my learnings and ideas in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today is one such first video in this entire vlog series. Hope you will like it and you post the comments such that I will also learn upon your learnings as well. So directly let's jump it directly into the nuances. Today we will go through a basic difference between what is a human intelligence and as well as a machine intelligence from a bird's eye view on three broader aspects: the definition, the history and the hype, and the limitations. The first, okay, the basic definition or the broad differences that we have to understand is that the human mind, okay, has evolved from cave age. Sorry about the spelling over there. Cave age, okay, to the current 2023 AI age. And it's not just 1 year. Okay, our DNA would be having so much representation of information from cave age and its learnings. So, that's why we have so much automatic behaviors and automatic responses because of these learnings as well. Because of these aspects, okay, and the human mind is such a complicated mind that we have so many emotions, and the greatest thing is that the human mind is the only mind that is capable of creating the original work. Why I'm mentioning original work, I'll let you know in some time. And the third most important thing, okay, is that the human mind, okay, is capable of judgments, perceptions, belief systems, etc., which is also one of the major point where the reason why we have so many religions, etc., etc., etc. So okay, broadly these are the aspects. Now coming to the machine intelligence or an artificial intelligence, this has coming to the machine intelligence or artificial intelligence, this has evolved from the period 1940s, and it has reached its hype in the period 1960, where we have the entire scientific community has got huge funding at that point of time. But it's not just the one time funding. So in the entire history and the hype cycle of the entire AI, it has uh, three such periods, okay, in 1960, 1980, and 2000. Luckily from 2010 onwards, okay, the things has changed a lot. So initially in 1960 there was huge hype, and then within 2 to 3 years it has fell down. Similarly in the 1980s there was a huge hype and it has fell down. Similarly in 2000, late 1990s, and then early 2000s has fell down. But in 2010, okay, it has with a new development, something called as deep learning, okay, which you'll learn in the future videos, that has kept the scientific community hook on. And because of its recent results, okay, in the GPT, especially the open AI kind of a piece, we have seen so much evolvement in terms of artificial intelligence as well. So in a span of this 60 years, okay, we have seen so much improvement from an inception, okay, when it has started as an idea. What is that idea which I have not communicated? The idea is to create something like a human like intelligence. So that was an initial idea, okay. So the initial idea which has started in 1960s, okay, right now if you can see it out, the results of right now in 2023, if you can see it out, okay, the results, okay, are almost are very good. But however, one of the basic limitations, if we can see in entire artificial intelligence at this juncture, that is in the year 2023, is that the three aspects which I have told earlier, that is emotions, original work, as well as judgments and perceptions, these three aspects the machine cannot create by itself. And especially the original work cannot be created by a machine at this juncture, because it has to be trained with an algorithm, and and also the algorithm has to be created by humans, which is the original work of a human mind, but not an original work of a machine mind at this point of time. Maybe in future machines can automatically design its own architecture at this point, like how we see it in the movies. However, in the period 2023, such kind of automated original work creation by the machines is not at all available. So however, the one of the biggest aspect of an artificial intelligence and its use, if why it has becoming popular, is because of three aspects. One is its scale of learning. Okay. And scale of learning, and its scale and the breadth of what it can learn is both tr- tremendous. And second is the speed, how fast it can learn. It's very, very fast. And after it learns, and how fast it can respond. I'll tell you with an GPT example. You give any question to a GPT, it can answer its length and breadth of any question, right? And how fast it can respond. It's very quickly, like within seconds, it can answer any questions. And most of you would have created your own accounts in GPT and tried tested it out as well. So that's most breakthrough intelligence that this new systems has created from 2011 onwards. I have told ChatGPT is one recent development, but if we have seen it out, the past developments from 2011 onwards, okay, one of my favorite, okay, is the Google Translate, which it can translate from any language to any language. This is one of an breakthrough intelligence as well, and it has been developed through deep learning algorithms itself, which we'll discuss in the future videos. But these are all the breakthrough intelligences, because a single human cannot translate from any language to any language, because there is a capability of learning. How many languages a human can learn? 16, 20, 30, maybe 30, 40. I have not learned a human speaking of 30 or 40 languages, but a machine can learn any number of languages and can translate to any number of languages. So this is one of the biggest, like a selling point of a artificial intelligence, and that also looks scary for most of the people, that this artificial intelligence might overtake human jobs. But however, as I told earlier, it has not artificial intelligence is not capable of developing emotions. Particularly, it cannot develop original work, and also particularly it cannot create judgments, perceptions, belief systems. Hope you like the video. Please do post and please share to the people, and particularly please comment such that I can learn also from your comments, which is very important at this juncture of my life. Thanks a lot.